Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 26. Let Y, which is a logical statement, says every great city was not built in a day. And Z, another logical statement, say Kano is a great city. Now the question, which of the following statements is true? A, every great city was built in a day. B, Kano was built in a day. C, Kano was not built in a day. D, Kano is not a great city. And E, some great cities were not built in a day. Now, this is a logical statement, and the logical statement Y says every great city was not built in a day. And now, logical statement Z says Kano is a great city. So, this simply implies that Kano, being a great city, was not built in a day. Now, let's take the options. Option A says every great city was built in a day. No. The statement says every great city was not built in a day. So option A is wrong. Option B says Kano was built in a day. No. Kano being a great city, and it is stated here that every great city was not built in a day. So therefore, Kano was not built in a day. So it is wrong. Option C says Kano was built in a day. Yes. Because Kano is a great city, and every great city was built in a day. Was not built in a day. Now, D says Kano is not a great city. No, the statement said it clearly that Kano is a great city, so this is wrong. And E says some great cities were not built in a day. No, it says every great city were not built in a day, not some, so this is wrong. So the correct answer now, that is the correct statement or the true statement, is what? Option C. Kano was not built in a day because Kano is a great city, and every great city was not built in a day. So C is the answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.